Hi, welcome to my Toons with Chalk. Today we're going to draw Jasper from Butterbean's Cafe. Get your pencil or your marker and follow along with me. So what I suggest is first maybe get a pencil and then you're going to draw Jasper, and later on you're going to correct all the lines with the marker. So first, as usual, I'm going to start with the eyes. So I'm going to draw two big beautiful eyes right here. There we go, there's one, and I'm going to draw another one right here as well. There we go. There you go. There's two beautiful eyes. And then the iris, both sides, and the pupil as usual. And let's not forget the light reflections. I'm going to make two little light reflections right here. And then I'm going to color in the pupils. There we go. From there, I'm going to draw the eyebrows. So I'm just going to draw a line up there, and I'm going to draw yet another line there. And we're going to make it nice thick eyebrows because it's a boy. There we go, there's one. There's the other eyebrow. And now a nose right between the eyes. I'm just going to draw a little line like this. And then at the bottom, for the bottom part of the nose, a line. And I'm just going to draw a small little nose, corners of a mouth right there, and let's draw a smile. There we go, there's a smile as well. Now I'm not going to draw lips because it's a boy. As soon as you draw lips on your pictures, it looks like a girl. So no lips, just a little smile there. And now we're going to draw the jawline. There we go. There's a nice jawline. And for the ears, now I'm going to start with roughly about there and maybe about there. So I'm just going to draw pointy ears for Jasper, and on this side a pointy ear. There we go. And then we're just going to draw these two lines just to give the inside of the ear. And now we're going to start with the hair, and I'm going to bring a line down. From there I'm going to bring another line down. There we go. Let's take it back. There, there, good. And then just going to draw a fringe right there as well. And then up there I'm just going to make it nice and round. Bring it back. And then here we can just maybe draw two pieces of hair like that. Let's finish up with the hair. There we go. And maybe let's draw another line there as well, like this. And then on this side, let's draw the outside of the hair and something like that. And let's just make another mark here for some decoration. There we go. And there's Jasper's head. Now for the neck. Bring two lines down. Right, and then for the t-shirt, there's the neck, and I'm just gonna draw two straight lines out. That's for the body. And from here I'm gonna bring a line back, bring another line back, and now we're gonna draw the sleeves. Short sleeve shirt like that. Good, nice and round. Bring it back, and there as well. Now we're going to draw the torso. We can make two lines, nice narrow lines, and I'm just going to do this. Just make it a little sort of, maybe there's a fold there in his shirt, and then on his chest there's a lightning bolt. So there we go. Let's draw a lightning bolt right there. Good. Let's do the arms. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to draw the fist. I'm just going to make a line like this. And on this side, you can do the same. You can just make a line like that. Now, on top there, I'm going to bring a line back. That will be the top part of the arms. And then the upper arm, just bring a line through like that. There we go. And there's the upper arm. And now the outside. Like this. Like this. And connect those two lines. And these are two arms. Beautiful. Next up, let's do the pants. So I'm gonna just draw a little line there. Good. And you can do this as well. There we go. And now I'm going to draw two short lines about the same height. And now I'm going to draw pockets. You can first draw these two lines like this. Then you bring down something like that. And on this side, you're going to draw the same thing. And maybe a button there and another button there. Now we do the pockets. There we go. Just like that, and you can stop there. And then this pocket as well. Now there's a fold in his trousers. So maybe let's just draw a line up, down, and another line down as well. Now we're going to draw sort of this line. Alright. And there's the final part of the pants. There we go. And there's the other one. And there's the pants. Perfect. Legs. This would be the calves. There we go. There's one. There's the other one. And now for the boots. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to draw the shoelaces. There's one. Let's draw 4 shoelaces. And just draw each one a little bit bigger than the last one. Do the same thing here. Shoelace. And you're going to draw it a little bit bigger each one. And now we're going to just make a line between the shoelaces like that. This side you can do the same. There we go. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the top of the boots. There we go. And this side we're going to do the same thing. Great. And then you can just close it off like this. There we go. Now for the boot. What I'm going to do, I'm first going to draw sort of a shape like that. This side I'm just going to draw another shape like that. And now we're going to draw the shoe. I'm first going to draw underneath it a big smile. A big smile. There we go. And another smile. And then connect it like so. And there's the boot. There we go. And then the other side as well. But we're not done yet. Now the sole of the boot. So you can just draw 2 lines down. 1, 2. And then you connect it. Sort of like a flat line. There we go. A flat line like that. Great. And there's the body of Jasper. Fingers. We forgot the fingers. Oh dear. There's 1, 2 fingers. It'll just be the pinky and the other finger next to it as well. Alright, great. Now our final part is the wings. Let's draw the wings. So I'm just gonna make 2 lines for me here, 2 guide lines, and maybe a line there, and maybe I wanted to connect there as well. And then I'm just gonna draw the wing. There we go. So it's sort of a flat wing. There's 1. Let's do the other one. There's the other wing. Perfect. And then I think there's sort of this line on the top of the wing that's yellow in color. And then a lightning bolt. Let's draw a lightning bolt here as well. There we go. There's 1 lightning bolt. And on this side, I'm going to draw another lightning bolt. There we go. There we go. Perfect. Now for the 2 bottom wings. Again, I'm just going to make a mark for myself. Another mark where the wings would go. and it goes back behind the arm, and this wing as well, and it goes back behind the arm. There we go. And then it has these two lines there, and a lightning bolt. There we go. And there's the other lightning bolt. Perfect. And there's Jasper. I think Jasper looks absolutely great. What do you think? Now you can take your markers, your crayons, or your colored pencils, and you can color Jasper in. And I'm sure Jasper will look absolutely great. Please leave me a comment if you would like me to draw something else. And please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon.